Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. If you suddenly quit eating protein, your body will immediately begin to go through a number of physiological changes, some of which may even have an impact on your health. Protein is necessary for the growth and repair of tissues, the production of enzymes and hormones, the maintenance and support of the immune system, and the provision of a source of fuel for the body. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. If you drastically cut back on your protein consumption or stopped taking it altogether, you might experience the following side effects shown in my video. 1. A decrease in muscle mass. The consumption of protein is essential to the upkeep of one's muscle mass. If you do not consume an adequate amount of protein, your body may resort to breaking down muscle tissue in order to receive the amino acids it needs for important tasks. This can potentially lead to a loss of muscle mass and weakness. 2. A decreased capacity of the immune system. Proteins are necessary for the production of immune cells and antibodies, which are what protects your body from diseases and infections. Your immune system might become compromised when you do not get enough protein, which can make you more prone to disease. 3. Impaired wound healing. Protein is necessary for the restoration of damaged tissue and the healing of wounds. The healing process can be slowed down by an insufficient intake of protein, which can also lead to a delayed recovery following injuries or procedures. 4. Concerns relating to the hair, skin, and nails. Protein is essential for the growth and maintenance of strong hair, healthy skin, and strong nails. It's possible that a lack of protein could cause your nails to become brittle, your hair to thin, and your skin to become unhealthy. 5. Disturbances in hormonal levels. Proteins have a role in the production of hormones, which in turn govern a variety of processes within the body. Your hormone production could be thrown off if you don't get enough protein, which would then lead to imbalances that would harm your health as a whole. 6. Edoma. Protein contributes to the body's ability to maintain a fluid equilibrium. Edoma, also known as swelling, can be the result of a fluid imbalance in the tissues brought on by a deficit. 7. Tiredness and a general feeling of weakness. In situations where the consumption of carbohydrates is restricted, protein can serve as a source of energy. If you do not consume an adequate amount of protein, you may experience weariness, weakness, and a reduction in your physical stamina. 8. A lack of proper nutrition. Malnutrition, which occurs when your body does not obtain the nutrients it needs to function properly, can be the result of low protein intake for an extended period of time. This may have devastating effects on one's health in the long run. 9. The role of the organ. Certain proteins are required for the body's organs, such as the liver and kidneys, to perform their functions correctly. Consuming insufficient amounts of protein can potentially have a detrimental effect on their function over time. It is essential to keep in mind that your body requires a variety of macronutrients, protein being only one of them. Carbohydrates and lipids are both very important to the body for a variety of different reasons. It is essential for one's health and well-being to consume a diet that is well-rounded and contains all 3 types of macronutrients. If you are thinking about making big changes to your diet, it is in your best interest to contact with a certified dietitian or a healthcare expert before you do so. This will allow you to ensure that you are fulfilling the nutritional requirements of your body and making decisions that are in line with your desired level of health. Like, share, subscribe and comment.